Hey guys, so this is Caesar from the Adventures of Sardinas. We are here in Passau, Germany, over here at Oberhaus Castle, and we are with my friends from Pampanga College. Here they are back here. Hi! We arrived this morning in Passau, Germany, and it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. We're all excited to explore the streets of Passau on our walking tour. It looks like everyone's checked in with our local guide Johan, and we're ready to go. It was a little chilly this morning on our tour. The average temperature in Passau in November is about 45 degrees. This amazing brightly colored cobblestone street is called Holgas, the Alley of Artists. Make sure to visit the local artist shops that line the alley. So we're walking around Passau doing a city tour with our group from the cruise. Because of its scenic landscapes and northern Italian style buildings, Passau is called the Venice of Bavaria. The architecture and the pastel colored buildings are simply amazing. A famous Passau landmark is Schäblingsturm. This white tower, built in the 14th century, has been used as a storage building, a high school, and even a home for starving artists. If you like our video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Wow, this bar looks so inviting. I bet those chairs are comfortable. This magnificent Baroque church is St. Stephen's Cathedral. With its white towers and green domes, it is the mother church of the Danube's eastern region. St. Stephen's Cathedral's ornate interior holds an exceptional treasure, the biggest cathedral organ in the world, with 17,974 pipes and 233 registers. The church didn't play the organs when we were there. I wish we could have witnessed the magnificent sound. Well, at least it gives us a reason to come back to Passau. Let's head back to the ship and have lunch before our afternoon excursion. In the afternoon, our group decided to take a shuttle high above Passau to visit Fortress Veste Oberhaus. The Veste Oberhaus is a castle complex which was built in the 13th century. It was the residence of the prince bishops and used as a fortress as protection from external enemies and from the people of Passau. It's one of the world's largest surviving castle complexes, and today it's now a museum and exhibition center. The Veste Oberhaus has the best view of the city of Passau and the three rivers.
Here in Passau with the adventure of Sardinas.
Yay! Exhibits at the castle include the creation of the castle, religious artworks from the collection of the Diocese of Passau, and St. George's Chapel, the castle's chapel that was dedicated to St. George. Back at the ship, Dina and her friends did a little yoga before our special dinner. It was our last night in Germany before we sailed to Austria, so the chef prepared a special taste of Germany dinner. Dinner included pretzels and an assortment of freshly baked German breads, 2 assortment of tasty German sausages and sauerkrauts, Kai Spatzel, which is a German macaroni and cheese. But our favorite was the Schweinhaxe, a delicious fried pork knuckle, exactly like the Filipino crispy pata. Dinner was so delicious, and we can't wait to burn off the calories on tomorrow's tour. If you like our video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And stay tuned for episode 4, our tour of the Gothic Abbey in Krems, Austria.